Okay. I kind of want to see how well this sounds. All right, let's see here. How well? Let's begin. One second, guys. Okay. All right, let's see here. How well? Let's begin. One second, guys. Okay, that seems to be going good. I hope everyone can see my screen over here. Um, I'm doing a little bit something new. I'm gonna be. This website is far in development. So we're gonna be just going over. I gotta hold on. I can't think and. It's so weird. Um, I'm so sorry. Stupid authentication stuff. Um, okay. So this website is far in development. I've kept it kind of a secret. If you've seen me on TikTok, then you kind of know a little bit about it. Um, it hasn't been a complete um, under wraps just because it's been on TikTok. However, it's pretty much almost over. So I think there's a couple more pages that I have to do, but other than that, it's like I said, it's pretty much done. There's some back end work that needs to be done, but the front end work is almost done. Authentication, so users going up to people who are what's the word? What's the word? What's the word? You can go onto the website and sign up, and once sign up is done, we'll be moving towards um, video uploads. And once video uploads are done, then we're going to be moving into live streaming. So it's going to be a YouTube, Twitch kind of website. So that being said, right now, um, the website is X. I'll put it in chat. Can't put it in chat. You know what I can do though? I'm gonna put in text right here. And we are going to do I'm going to put this right there. Okay. So right below me is the actual link. If you want to go check out the website, none of this that we're doing right now will be on the website because I haven't done it yet. After, then it will be. But without further ado, let's get into it. So right now what I'm working on is channel. Okay. So we got Hello World here. I'm using Next.js, which is a React framework. So if you have any questions on that, I'll be glad to answer it. So we're just gonna delete that. Let's keep that. So we need right above here. We're gonna have our header. Just close that out. Hit Command C, and you should. Boom. There we go. Okay. And do I want the sidebar? For now we'll have the sidebar. These are all stuff that I have pre-programmed on my can't find variable sidebar. Scripture didn't import it. Sidebar. Really? Okay. Really? My auto import is not working for the sidebar. That's weird because it just worked. We're gonna go from. So all of this stuff is, like I said, most of this, the header and the sidebar, I've already programmed because I have it. Obviously. There we go. I can't spell. There we go. Because I have it on right now on my home page, live page, which there you go. So these are actually the thumbnail. I'll explain some of the website right now. So these are the thumbnails. This is just dummy data that's mocked up so that I can understand what it's supposed to look like when there's actual data in there. There's data on the on Firebase, which is the backend that I'm using, but because I haven't integrated that yet, I need some sort of data so I can see. So, hold on one second while I blow this up for you guys. Actually, I guess it doesn't really matter because it's, yeah, whatever. I'm not going to do that. So, this is the home page. This is the only page that will have any type of algorithm, this page and then the live page. So the home page and the live page are the only two pages that will have an algorithm. And the algorithm, I'm going to be completely open and transparent. I want this to be like YouTube and I want it to be like Twitch, but I want it to be 100% transparent and open. So that being said, what the homes and the live screen is, you'll see a bunch of videos from random creators, kind of like YouTube, like the YouTube trending page almost. It'll be for the home page, so that's this one. These are all uploaded videos. Those are going to be based off of interactions and date. So interactions being comments, likes and dislikes, and then the date which it was uploaded. So if the first 4 videos were all uploaded today, the first one would have the most likes and dislikes combined. So like if you have 73,000 likes and 56,000 dislikes, whatever that number is combined, I don't know why I picked 2 extremely high numbers. If you had 100 likes and 50 dislikes, and combined you'd have 150 likes, and you also had 5 comments. So now you have 150 interactions. If no other video was uploaded today and has 150 reactions, you're going to be at the top. You'll be this one right here, right where the mouse is. If you have 100 interactions and you uploaded. Well, you don't have 150, so you're going to be next, and then 50, and then 75. So it goes based off of date. So the newer ones will be today's uploaded date, and then how many interactions you have. And like I said, that is comments, likes, and dislikes. It does not. I don't care if you have more dislikes than you have likes. To me, it doesn't matter. So only 4 videos were uploaded today. Hopefully not. After that would be videos that were uploaded yesterday, the day before, so on and so forth. Same thing with the live. Live's a little bit different, however. The interactions are less important on the live. So it's going to be based off of how many when the live stream started. So again, 4 live streams all started today, and they're still live. If you're currently live, you have to be currently live to be in this little section, right? So 4 people are currently live. We can just ignore everything else. Let's just stick with 4 because it's an easy number. So 4 people are currently live. This guy, this channel right here, has 300 people watching him. They have 200, 150. Okay, so it's who's currently live and how many viewers you have. Yeah, that's how the live page is going to work. So that being said, as you can see, we have new creator, small creator, medium creator, and top creator. When you go in here, any one of these, you are greeted to uploaded videos from anyone who fits the new creator category. New creators will be 50 videos, 50 uploaded videos, or 50 live streamed videos, and if you have 50 followers. But let's say, and it goes based off. So this goes based off of date as well. So when the video was uploaded, not interactions, nothing like that. Just when the video was uploaded. That's same for new creator, small creator, all the creator tabs. It's just based off of date. If someone goes on here and you just uploaded a video, you're at the top. If someone goes on here and you uploaded a video, 50 minutes ago, well, you'll probably be lower down. All right. But there's this section up at the top. You see it's uploaded at first. You can click on live. These are all new creators who are live. Same thing. Anyone who has 50 videos uploaded and 50 followers who is currently live. I might implement a little bit more functionality here so you can pick like right now I'm in just chatting for Twitch, or YouTube Gaming has well, I don't know what YouTube Gaming has, but I'm sure you can based off of game category and stuff like that. But it's not going to be just gaming. It's going to be, if you're cooking and you're live, or you're just, vlogging and you're live. So that'll all be in here. I might implement that up here. Not entirely sure yet, so don't hold me to it, but just thinking out loud. But again, it's going to be based off of when the video went live and who's currently live. So if you went live and then you stopped going live, if I went to new and you're a new creator and I went to new creators, your video would not be up here. It would be converted and then uploaded to here. So I'm not sure how long the conversion rate is going to be. I just don't know because we haven't tried it yet. So if it's like an hour, hour after you've gone live or whatever, your video will be up at the top right here to be viewed. All right. That goes for new creator, small creator, top creator, all those creators. Wow, what is going on? Oh, it's loading. Ooh, wow. Failed? What do you mean to failed to? Could not find. Oh, okay. No, that was super weird. Following works just like YouTube subscribers, I think YouTube called it. Any channel that you're currently following obviously goes in here. All your liked videos, any video that you liked goes into here. Watch later video. Any videos that you wanted to watch later goes into here. Like you click, there'll be a little button. Again, we're gonna be making the watching screen, so you'll be able to see those buttons come in. But that'll go here, and then we have the history. I mean, that's pretty much self-explanatory. You'll be able to search for video titles, and it'll be based off of the date when you watched it. Okay, that being said, we have the plus button for upload and go live, notifications, and then we have, this is the drop down for, if you're signed in, this is what you'll see. If you're not, I can show you that later, but you have the user channel name, which I think brings you just back to the main menu, but we can actually change that right now since we have it. Let's go to drop down, quick settings, and we're going to go to channel name. Oh, there we go. Channel, and then slash change this to channel URL. Change this to channel URL. That still should work. 404. Oh, because I have spaces. This is my 404 page. There is hidden text on this, and if you find the hidden text and can prove it, whether that's on TikTok or a comment on the YouTube video, you'll get your own secret message written in here. What do you mean? Tell me I didn't spell channel wrong. I spelled channel wrong. Okay. Huh? Channel username drop down. Oh, channel link. Channel CHANN. Do I need? I don't think I need these. That's why. Unless if I'm clicking the wrong button here. No, I'm not. Okay. I was like, what is happening? Okay, let's get into, oh, this is kind of the purchase and subscription. I don't think I have this actually built yet, but you'll see. This is your main settings. So this is quick settings, and then these are your main settings. You have account, notifications, payback, privacy, billing, and advance. And obviously, there's nothing here because I haven't done it yet. But those are also there. So let's go back to here. You can switch account, log out. Appearance is not working. However, I can. It is technically working. It's just not working where, like, I can go light and hit Command S, and here is the light mode. However, I can't for the life of me get it to change here. I can't. I just, I don't know. These buttons don't work, and I haven't, so that's really bright. Let's change this back to dark. Okay, so that was a quick overview. I'm sure it wasn't quick at all, but okay, so we got hello world, and here we are going to do class name, actually, I'm going to import a style. I don't want to call it style though. Let's do shared from boop 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 boop. Is it components? Yeah, components slash page.module.css. S class name equals shared dot really shared dot content s. I'm going to take this, Command C, put this in a div with a class name that is equal to shared dot content area. Command V. And that should put it back. What the? Oh, pages. There we go. Hello, world. Okay. All right. Now, let's get a banner going. This is going to be. Oh, this thing needs to like speed up. I'm gonna go a little bit down. Okay. And we're gonna do channel.module.css. Okay. Let's go back to this is going to be right here. I'm going to put a div here. This is going to be channel banner. S. Channel banner. Yep. Okay. And we're just going to, because I'm lazy, and banner. And then we can come over here. Banner. And we're going to do background color. Var dash dash logo dash green. Width auto height. I know I should be doing this in what's the word? In oh my gosh. As a I'm so mad that I can't think of the word. Mobile. On mobile. I should be doing this at mobile right now, but yeah, I'm not. So I don't care. See me. Height 300 pixels. Okay, why is that? Oh. LOL. Because I forgot to import it. Import style. If I could spell from boop boop channel dot module dot c. Boom. Okay. All right. And then we're going to go here, and we are going to do img image. Image. I don't know why my stuff is not auto importing. Kind of aggravating, not gonna lie. Also, I need to hold on. I'll just do next slash image. This one. Give me 1 second, guys. I know that worked. That kind of worked. There you go. Hold on. Okay, now I'm not like. Okay, and we will do src equals. Yeah. Source equals dot slash. I need an image. What image do I have? Banner. Oh, I need this. Oh, okay. Dot banner image. I cannot spell for the life of me. Width is going to be 100%. Height is going to be 100%. And S, that should. Huh? Banner image. That should work. That should have worked. It's okay. I hate, like, you can't use the IMG anymore. I mean, I don't think it can. On next, you motherfucker can. What? When I try to put this online, it's not going to let me. It's going to come back as an error, and I don't know. I know it's background. I want it to, like, hold on. Gotta love the internet. Next, there's a next JS, and then we're going to go documents, image. Yep. Layout fill. That's what it is. Image. Yeah. Layout equals fill. Oh, I did minus fill, really? Oh, sugar, honey, iced tea, for the love of God. I'm sorry. What the fuck are you doing? You are not. Implicity by using layout fill, which causes the image to expand to its parent element. That is not the parent element. Okay, let's contain. Fine. I'll do responsive. I can't. For the love of God. Oh my God. Our image width source must use width and height properties or layout fill. No, I don't need to. I don't need to. Let me see if I have to do this. Command X. Div, Command V. Okay, Command S. And let's do fill. It's not right. That's not right. Really? What is it? Auto? No, I want 100% height. 100%. Actually, I might want auto. Auto. See, it's inside. Where does this div end? This div ends. I've never been like. I don't. Welcome to computer programming, guys, where nothing makes sense half the time. Because here I have it wrapped inside of a link, inside of a div. What about? Okay, hold on. What is this thumbnail? Width and height. Yeah, no, it's width 100% maybe, if that's what the layout equals fill. I hate you so much. Channel banner. I don't think this matters. Cover should be one of fill, fixed. Okay, fine. Fixed needs. Let's try intrinsic. Uh, okay, intrinsic. Okay, what about undefined? Oh, okay, hold on. I do fill. Hey, why is that buried fourth? It's literally buried four-fifths of the way down. Display block. I want to see what this does. Responsive. When using layout responsive, parent element must have display block. This is the default for div element, but should be specified otherwise. So, responsive. Yeah, no, it still doesn't even work. Okay. Command. Okay. Now I'm going to take this whole thing and move it right up here, which should spread it out. Awesome. Okay. So now that we have, all right, wow, that took forever. How long was that? That was, sheesh. That was a long time. Okay. We have our banner. This should be set this should change based off of what channel the user is seeing. Ow! Fuck! That shit was loud as hell. Holy shit. Damn. Okay. Alright, now we have the content here. And in this content, we're going to have this content is this should show the user the current channel info. I'm kind of hesitant on using that word because it's not, I'm just doing like, you'll see. All right, let's put a div here, and this is going to be channel icon. And then we're going to put another div here, and this is going to be channel name. What does Twitch look like? Shoot. If I go to someone who is currently not live, like Dixie Flag, it's the same thing, whether it's YouTube or, okay, channel icon, and then the follow button. However, we want channel name, shift doot doot. Command C, Command V. This is going to be so what is a follower count? Obviously, that would be like you're able to follow people. A subscriber is paid followers, YouTube members, and I forget what, I know Twitch has Twitch Prime memberships. I don't know what their other memberships are called, but subscribers, because it will be a monthly subscription to the creator. So we are calling them subscribers. That's pretty self-explanatory. Command C, Command V, Command V, Command V, Command V. Okay, this is going to be image. No, this is going to actually be icon. This is going to be channel name. This is going to be the same size. So, let's see. Let's do count. Okay, Command S, that doesn't change anything. And now we have div class name equals style dot follow button. Follow button right there. Follow, Command S. Okay. We're going to take this, Command C, and Command V. However, this source is going to be SVG. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to, I don't want it to change, so let's just call it profile dot png. As you can see, it's fucking huge. We can fix that, and we're going to. I'm just going to wrap this whole thing. Command C, delete, div class name equals style dot channel header, I guess we'll call it. Okay, Command S. Let's go into dot channel header. All right, here we're gonna specify a width, and this will be a width of 100%. And we're going to do a height, height of 150 pixels, and background color is going to be lime green. Okay, again, however, I want this to be here. Yes. Yep. Okay. However, we are going to have a, this is going to be, what does 200 look like? No, I'll do 150. Yeah. Margin bottom, 10 pixels. And then we'll do margin top, 10 pixels as well. That should give us 20 pixels worth of space. Does it? That's so weird. Oops. I'll leave it 10. I'll leave it 10. Maybe 15. Yeah, like 15. I don't really need the margin bottom and top, but whatever. Okay. So now we have icon. Dot icon. And this is going to be width, 50 pixels, height, 50 pixels, and then position, relative, should fix that. Awesome. We are going to do background. Background color. This is going to be var dash dash header. Yes. And we are going to do padding, 10 pixels on every side. Margin. Yep. Okay. What we are going to do is we're just going to put a top here. It's going to be 10 pixels. Maybe 10%. What is it looking? Yeah. Left is going to be 30%. That's going to be like way too far. Yeah, way too far. 10% as well for left. Yep. Okay. And then we're going to do around it. Oh no, border radius. Let's just do 10. Oh no, let's do 50%. 50%. Should put it into a circle. Awesome. And then can I do 70? It's actually it's this way. Whoa. So what I can do, change this to an image, but I don't know if it'll work. I need to get rid of this padding auto. So what I can do is go to .icon img is put padding on auto here. No. Okay. We'll just do width 80 and height 80. Of course, these are pixels, so we'll specify that. Okay. And then we will do padding auto. I'm trying to get it in the middle without specifying too much. Yeah, margin auto. Okay. Alrighty. There we go. Let's actually bring this down to 75. That should give us $15 pixels. No. What's half of 15? 15 is 7.5. 7.5 pixels. 7.5 pixels. Boop. That should put it right in the middle. top and bottom 7.5. How about 10? Why is this not working? Okay. Margin dash top. I want 7.5 pixels. That is not 7 pixels. Hold on. Maybe padding top? Really? Padding on all sides, 7.5 pixels. What about margin? Margin's not working though. No, it's not. Okay, hold on. So what I can do, right, is I can do that. It'll do that. But I'm just going to get rid of this. That should make it a little bit bigger. And then border radius. Yep. Okay. There we go. Now that's done, we need channel name, right? Channel name, and it's going to be an inline block. So icon has to be an inline block. And display inline flex. Instead of inline block, I'm going to do an inline flex. Align items center, or is it justify? Alright, so this is channel header, all of this. I'm going to do channel info, and then Command X on this div, Command V it, Command S, take this, drop it right here, and we are going to do, you'll see it in a second, hold on, Command C, CB. Oh. Header. That should go back on. Nice. Okay. There's a reason that I did that. And the channel header is going to be a flex, display flex, and then the channel info is going to be inline blocks. All icon and stuff, it's all going to be inline blocks. And this one is going to be a flex as well. And that should allow me to separate them between against the green. So let's see. Let's see. Display flex. Justify content. Space between Command S. Okay. No, wait. This stuff right here. Command X. Command V. Command S. Yeah, there we go. Okay. This is going to be display inline block, Command S. Okay. Now we need dot channel name. We're gonna do display inline block. See? And then dot count is also going to be a display inline block. Awesome. And then see the follow right here? So that's kind of what we're doing. So we need position relative, Command C, Command V, Command V, Command S, and this is actually going to be this is going to be block, Command S. Channel name is going to be block. I need these guys to be in their own div. Command V, Command S, and have that be, this is going to be inline, in file, that was weird, inline, and we're just going to copy, Command V, Command S, go over here, and then do enter dot inline, and if I did this right, display inline block, Command S, boop, that easy. Awesome. So, now I need, sorry. All right. We're going to come over here to dot follow button, and this is going to be display flex as well. We're going to do font size var extra oh, this is going to be dash dash size dash. There we go. Okay. And we're going to change this from a div to a button. I have to put 2 T's on that, and that should, no, didn't change it. Command X. Yes. Why is it not changed? Did I not spell button right? BU. Is it BTN? No, it's not. BUTT. ON. Button. Command V. I don't know. Whatever. I don't need to worry about that right now. Okay. So, let's worry about this one. We're going to do font size var. It's pretty big. So let's do size dash, well, XXL. XXL should work. Yes, that will work. And margin left. Margin left. What if I did 10%? Okay. Width is going to be 50%. %. So, hold on. Var dash highlighted. There we go. So right now I'm not sure how much this block is taken up, the channel name. So, easiest way is to put a background color, lawn green, which is why I changed it. As you can see, yep. What if I did 200%? There you go. That should give me let's do 30%. Okay. Cool. Instead of doing this though, I have position relative, so I'm gonna go left, and I'm gonna do 10 pixels, and that should. Hold on, wait. Background color. Here we go. And I'm also going to put a margin on it of 10 pixels, just so I can see the separation. There is no separation, however, because I'm stupid. Yes, I am. Width, let's do auto. So auto will take up, I believe, as much space as it is required, as it wants. Not looking like that though, so 100%. Right. 50%. Let's do 75%. And here we will just do auto. Okay, cool. Let's do 10 rem. That's top. Okay. In that case, we'll do 1 rem. 0.8 rem. Nope. 0.5 rem. Holy shit. Left is going to be 10 rem. That's way too far. 1 rem. I'll do 3 rem. Yeah, 3 rem. And top is... Actually, that's kind of perfect. 0.5. Let's do 0.4 though. Scale up a little bit. Yeah. Okay. This is literally what it's like making a website. It's all these tiny little changes. I have a reference. I'm using YouTube and Twitch as a reference. I also do have my own reference that I'm using. I used Figma. So I'm kind of taking all 3 of those and kind of meshing them into one. It's just... Yep, it's going to have to be 3 rem. That's weird. I think I know why, but I don't like it. Let's see. Yes. Okay. So now that I know how much space this is taking up, I'm going to go delete that. There we go. I also want to just change this back to auto. Hopefully that doesn't... Yeah, it's not going to. Okay. Sweet. So, follower count is going to have a font size of... This one is kind of like... Let's see. It's a little bit... Wait, what? Why can't I see chat? Oh, that's not chat. Ha 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 ha. LOL. I'm stupid. It's... I don't even know. I don't even know what I was going to say. I totally lost my train of thought. We'll just do large. Really? Okay, we'll do small then. Yeah, that's definitely what it's gonna be. One more thing we got. We have regular color. So when you're doing React, color is text. Whereas background color is background. So I have text channel name, obviously. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put var dash dash text. This is something that I've already set up, and as you can see, nothing happens. However, that's because if I did background color, I have background color and text opposite. As you can see, the text changed to black. So if the background color, which is this right here, is black, then text is going to be white, obviously. So, but for the count, we're not actually going to do that. What we're going to do is we are going to do highlighted. Let's see what that looks like. Header. Let's see. So I might actually change this to header and change this to highlighted. No, I don't like that. Okay. Highlighted. That's going to get rid of that. I guess I'll just keep it text. Whatever. Yeah, cool. All right, we can get rid of this now. And what I like to do is I like to take these, make sure they're sized properly. That's just a personal preference. I like to look down and be like, okay, like this should be at the very bottom. This should be at the very bottom. That's just, I don't know, I'm weird, and I just like that, like that. So, now that that's done, let's get the follow button working. Display flex, and I want to justify, no, I want to align my content in the center. I believe justify is left and right, align is up and down. So, align items, center, yep. And actually, I can get rid of hold on. Align items, center. And then I should be able to get rid of this position. Right here. Yes, I can. And instead, we are going to use a margin dash left. That should put it back right there. And we don't need this or this anymore. We're just going to use margin left. Actually, what if I got rid of? Yeah, oh, nice. Sorry. There is, I don't know if you can see it, but follower and channel there's a gap there, and I don't really like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a background color just so you can visually see what's going on here. If you can look, that block is, I want it smaller. So what you can do is you can actually have a specified height of, let's say, 1 pixel, and you'll see what happens. So as you can see, 1 pixel is that background color, but because the channel name is so big, it does that. It pushes it down. So let's do 30. Let's do 50. Let's do 45. I'm trying to get the letters to be at the very bottom. 40. Let's do 42. Okay. This is not the best way to do it. There's something called, I just forget what it's called. It's font height, I believe. Let's try that. Font. Font optimization. I know. I can see it because I've used it before. I just don't know where I've used it. I wonder if I've used it here. Where is font size? Yeah, right here. I just used height. I thought I used something else. Oh well. Oh, line height. That's what it is. Line height. See, I knew I used it somewhere else. Line height. And let's do 10 pixels. Yeah. So we go back to 50. And we can do, so that line height kind of, it's from the center, whereas height is from the bottom. So we can do 40. We can do 35 actually. 34. 32. Yep. Okay. Now, so if I get rid of this right here, now I want to, I want to put this in the center like I have the icon. So I'm going to look at my icon, and it has a width of 90, a height of 90. So one thing I'm going to do is I am going to, I guess I'll just wrap this whole thing. I'm just, do I already have info? No, I'll do info. Yep. And then we're going to come over here, inline, and it's going to be dot info. And what I can do is I can do display inline flex. Inline block. And I'm going to do margin left. We're going to do 5 pixels. And then I'm going to do background color light green. Get rid of this one. And what we can do is position relative And last one is bottom. This is going to be confusing. So I'll do top first because this is what I thought. So I was like, okay, I want the top to go up. So I'll just do top and I'll do like 5 pixels. And then it moves down. I was like, well, why did that happen? So if you have a block that you want to move up, you need to go bottom. So I know that's to me that's really confusing. It's kind of backwards though. So if I go bottom and I do 10 pixels, it moves up 10 pixels. And I don't know exactly why that is, but that's just how it is. It's, for me, it was like so confusing when I first was trying to do it, because I was like, it's not like it should be going up because I want it. I guess the way I could, and this is not a React thing, this is a CSS thing. I guess the way that it works is you're kind of putting in like a margin, but it's relative to its parent, not to the object. A margin is relative to the object, whereas position relative makes it relative to its parent. So margin left takes the content and puts 5 pixels, like right here we have margin left 5 pixels, that takes the content and puts 5 extra pixels next to the content itself. However, if you have position relative, your bottom, top, left, and right are margins. However, it goes from the outer edge of the content relative to its parent. So right now, this info is a parent of this inline class right here. So if I do inline and I do a background color of pink or light gray, so as you can see, right now we are. It took the inline and put 10 pixels, 10 more pixels from the top, or if this was top, it would be 10 more pixels, or 15. 10 more pixels from the top. So whatever the top pixel amount is right now, like right now, it is, I don't even know. Inline has a margin of 10 pixels. So if I add a top 15 pixels, what I'm doing is I'm actually adding a margin of 25 to the info from the top, which is not what I want. So when I do it from bottom, I'm actually only adding a margin of 5 pixels, which is what I want. I hope that made sense. It probably didn't because I ramble a lot, but I hope that made somewhat sense. Anyways, we got it now. I'm going to double that. Yep. Okay. This follow button now needs a margin right, not left, because we're moving this way, of 20 pixels. And what we are going to do is we are going to do a background color of our text for right now, just so I can see it. If I can spell. Yep. Okay. So we have a width. Let's do a width of 100 pixels. What's that look like? Okay, how about 150 pixels? Yeah. And then we have a height of 50 pixels. Okay, maybe 100 pixels. What the? That's 1,000. Okay. So, now we're gonna do BG dash color. That should go right there. And we want font. There is an align content center. No. Is it justify? Justify content center? Yes. Okay. Sorry. We're gonna take these two, throw them right here, Command S that. Take this one. Okay. Now we're gonna have a border radius of 25 pixels. That should round it out. I actually don't know if I like that size. What if I did 125? Oh no, that I like. I like the width. I meant the height. Let's do 80. 50? No, it's gonna be bigger than 50. 75. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Alrighty. So, I have to pee so badly. Oh. Okay. And background color. This is going to be border. Border is going to be 1 pixel, solid, and it's going to have the BG dash color dash BG dash color. Nothing should change except if I get rid of this. Boom. Okay. Let's do 2 pixels. Okay, maybe 5. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now I have to piss. Now I have to pee. I'm going to take a quick break. I know, hold on. We're going to do window capture. You know what? We're going to do display capture. Okay. And then I'm going to add text that says BRB. And I will be right back. All right. Just wait for. Okay. Let's go back to here. Sorry. Let's flick on this light. Sorry, I got some water. Okay. Um. So we have a channel name, follower count, subscriber count, follow. Okay. Now we're gonna do follow button, hover. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to do background color var dash dash header. And now Command C, Command V, transparent. Follow button. There we go. Okay. So we have like a little clickable button. Nothing happens, obviously. However, that was weird. What's it say? Detected 26% over the last 2 minutes. That was super weird. Wow, I've been doing this for an hour already. This is why it takes me forever. Okay. So I'm going to put in right here if the user visitor is not following the channel, this button should show. Right? Command S. And I'm just going to take Command C, Command V. If the visitor is following the channel, this button should show. Subscribe. Yep. And I'm going to do subscribe. We are going to take we're just going to Command V that, change it to that was super weird. Am I buffering on okay. Why all of a sudden is it now just buffering? Hold on. I'm taking um your stream is experiencing issues. Hold on, guys. Can I do I can't. Okay, hopefully that'll fix it. I don't know. It was just super weird. Anyways, subscribe. Let's see. Command V, Command S. And we will do extra large. That's what we're going to do. And we are going to comment that out. There. However, okay, comment that out. Perfect. I'm just trying to make sure that the stream's not like. Oh shoot! Did I have? I think I have the wrong bit rate.